Reliance Industries Limited, or RIL as it's commonly known, is a household name in India. Founded by Dhirubhai Ambani in 1966, it has grown from a small textile company into a diversified conglomerate with interests in petrochemicals, refining, oil, telecommunications, and retail. But this isn't just another company, it's a behemoth, a titan of industry that touches the lives of millions of Indians every single day. Its operations span across various sectors, making it an integral part of the Indian economy. From the fuel we use in our cars to the clothes we wear and the internet we browse, Reliance is there. Its presence is felt in almost every aspect of daily life, providing essential services and products that many Indians rely on. Its influence on the Indian economy is undeniable, making it a fascinating case study for investors and a source of national pride for many. The company's financial performance often mirrors the health of the Indian market, and its stock is a staple in many investment portfolios. But with great size comes great responsibility, and Reliance is often in the spotlight, facing scrutiny for its business practices and its impact on the environment. Critics argue that its rapid expansion has come at a significant environmental cost, raising questions about sustainability. Is Reliance just another corporation chasing profits, or is it genuinely invested in shaping a better future for India? The company has made significant investments in renewable energy and community development, signaling a potential shift towards more sustainable practices. That's the question we'll be exploring today. Join us as we delve deeper into the story of Reliance Industries, examining its past, present, and future to understand its true impact on India and the world. One of the most striking things about Reliance Industries is its sheer diversity. This isn't a company content with dominating just one sector. It has its fingers in many pies. Think of it like a massive tree with branches stretching out in all directions. There's the oil and petrochemicals arm, the legacy business that formed the foundation of Reliance's empire. Then there's Jio, the telecom giant that revolutionized India's internet landscape with its affordable data plans. And let's not forget Reliance Retail, a rapidly growing network of supermarkets, fashion stores, and e-commerce platforms that's changing how India shops. Now let's talk about the heart of any business, the money. Reliance, as you might expect, is a money-making machine. In the last financial year alone, its revenue crossed a staggering 9 lakh crore rupees. To put that into perspective, that's more than the GDP of many small countries. The oil-to-chemicals business remains the cash cow, contributing the lion's share of the revenue. However, the digital services segment, spearheaded by Jio, is the rising star, witnessing impressive growth in recent times. Reliance Retail, though facing stiff competition, is no slouch either, steadily expanding its footprint across the entire country. Section 4. Riding the Industry Waves. Reliance's strategic positioning. Reliance understands that to stay ahead, you need to adapt and evolve. The industries it operates in are dynamic and ever-changing, and Reliance has shown a knack for reading the winds of change and adjusting its sails accordingly. Take the oil and gas sector, for example. With the global push towards renewable energy, Reliance knows it can't just rely on fossil fuels forever. That's why it's making significant investments in green energy, positioning itself to be a major player in the energy landscape of the future. Similarly, in retail, Reliance is aggressively expanding its online presence to tap into the growing e-commerce market in India. Section 5. Reliance's green ambitions, powering a sustainable future. Reliance's foray into green energy isn't just a business decision. It's a statement of intent. The company has set ambitious goals to become a net-zero carbon emitter by 2035. To achieve this, it's pumping billions of dollars into solar, wind, and battery technologies. Imagine vast solar farms soaking up the Indian sun, wind turbines harnessing the power of the wind, and factories churning out batteries to store this clean energy. That's the vision Reliance is working towards, and if it succeeds, it could transform India's energy landscape and position the country as a leader in the global fight against climate change. Section 6. Weighing the scales, the risks and rewards of investing in Reliance. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Is Reliance a good investment? This question has been on the minds of many investors, both seasoned and new. The answer, as with most things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. It requires a nuanced understanding of various factors that influence the company's performance. There are undeniable risks and equally compelling rewards to consider. The stock market itself is a roller coaster, and Reliance is no exception. On the risk side, Reliance's dependence on the volatile oil and gas market is a concern. The prices of oil and gas can fluctuate wildly, impacting the company's revenue streams. Global economic downturns and geopolitical tensions can significantly impact oil prices, affecting Reliance's bottom line. These external factors are beyond the company's control, but have a direct impact on its financial health. Additionally, the company's aggressive expansion plans require substantial capital expenditure, which could impact short-term profitability. Large-scale projects often come with their own set of risks and uncertainties. However, the potential rewards are significant. Investors who are willing to take on the risks could see substantial returns. Reliance is a dominant player in multiple high-growth sectors in India, a country with a rapidly expanding economy and a young, aspirational population. This demographic advantage positions the company for long-term growth. Its diversification across industries mitigates risks, and its early mover advantage in green energy could pay off handsomely in the long run. The company's investments in renewable energy sources are not just a hedge against the volatility of the oil market, but also a strategic move towards sustainable growth. Section 7. So, is Reliance a good bet? Your investment, your call. Let's dive deeper into what makes this company tick and whether it deserves a spot in your portfolio. So, there you have it. We've covered the basics, but there's more to consider. Reliance Industries is a complex and fascinating company with a presence in multiple sectors that touch almost every aspect of daily life in India. It's a true behemoth with its tentacles spread across various sectors of the Indian economy, from energy and petrochemicals to retail and telecommunications. It's a company with a rich history, founded by Dhirubhai Ambani in 1966, and has grown exponentially over the decades. With a bold vision for the future, Reliance aims to lead in green energy, digital services, and more. And it certainly has the financial muscle to back it up, boasting impressive revenue and profit figures year after year. But is it a good investment? That's the million-dollar question. Ultimately, that's a decision you have to make based on your risk appetite, investment goals, and understanding of the company and the industries it operates in. Do your research, dive into the financials, and understand the market dynamics. Weigh the pros and cons, consider the potential risks and rewards, and make an informed decision. Remember, no investment is without risk. What are your thoughts on Reliance Industries? Do you see it as a game changer in the Indian market? Do you see it as a company shaping a better future for India with its ambitious projects in green energy and digital services? Or do you view it as a corporation driven solely by profits, with little regard for social impact? Share your opinions in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective.